Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today I will be going to solve the first lab from Web Security Academy of race condition category, and that is limit overrun race conditions. Now race condition is a very hard bug to understand, so we will be going to see a lot of places where we can find race conditions in this lab. So that being said, let's jump in. Now coming to the lab over here, we are having the first one, which is limit overrun race conditions, and looking at the description of the lab, it says that this lab's purchasing flow contains a race condition that enables you to purchase items for an unintended price. To solve the lab, successfully purchase a lightweight elite leather jacket, and you can log into your account with the following credentials, which is Weiner and Peter. So let's try to access this lab, and this is the lab. Now right over here we can see that it says that for 20% off, use this code, which is promo 20, and you will be going to get a discount. But before doing all of the things, first thing first, which I will always look, is that whether our cart functionality is tied up to our session or no. So that's the main thing which I will be going to do. So if I click on view details on any of the thing over here, I am having an error message. Let me try to refresh the page. So let me just try to access the lab one more time. Something strange happened. And here is the lab again. So what I will going to do is, let's try with the lightweight jacket because this will solve our lab. So I will going to play with this one. So first thing first, again the same thing, whether it is tied to my session or no. So if I click on add to cart, let's see what happens. And in my cart, let's see if I'm able to purchase this one or no. So place an order. And it says please log in to continue. So yes, the card functionality is actually tied to my session, so I need to log in somehow. And I can see right over here I do have the credentials, so I will try to log in over here and then I will play with it one. So now I'm logged in. Now let's move to the card, and definitely my so my balance is $50 right over here and my cart is empty. So let's try to click on the cart again, and it is empty, but it is showing one over here, which is strange. So let's go to home page again and let's try to add that cart again. So adding this jacket to the cart again, add to cart, and let's try to see the cart now. And this is now my balance is very low. I will not be able to purchase this one. So if I click on place order, it should give me an error message that you have not enough credit to purchase this one. So that is fine. Let me switch to my burp suite and do the same process again. My proxy is on. So let me remove it from here and let me see if I can intercept the request. Yes, I can intercept. So now what I will going to do is, let's go to the home page again and let's try to purchase anything which is less than $50, because right now I'm having $50 only in my account. So I will just add to this thing to the cart and go to the cart. And let's click on place order and let's see what happened in the backend. So now coming over here, the post request on cart endpoint is actually adding the product ID to the cart. So this is a very important request which I will going to add it into my repeater. Then I will be going over to my proxy again, and right over here I can see checkout, and checkout means that it will empty the cart and whatever it will be, it will purchase it for me if my current balance is greater than the price of the product. So these are the two requests coming over here. So what I can do is, either I can try to change this to 1. Now let's try to add the promo code. So if I go into my home page again and let's try to do the same thing with leather jacket, and I will copy this one, add to the cart, go to the cart, and let's click on promo 20, click on apply. And now my price has been decreased by 267, but still I am unable to purchase this one. And let's see the functionality, what happened here. So it made a post request on card coupon and it says coupon has been applied. So I'll be going to send this request to the repeater. Now where comes race condition? That's the most important thing, because right over here, if I click on this one, it says coupon has been already applied, right? So what if somehow I am able to apply this coupon more than one time? And that's actually called a race condition. And how that will be going to happen is that, let's say you are having a variable right over here which is getting set to true once the coupon is applied, right? So the coupon is applied, the variable gets set to true, right? So what I will be going to do over here is that I will be going to apply coupon multiple times by sending a request in parallel over here using burp suite. And before setting the value of the variable to true, I will be going to send the request 10 times and apply coupon 10 times, and after 10 times it will be going to set the variable to true. In that case, I will be going to actually apply the coupon 10 times, and it doesn't matter how many times. I can do 10 times, 20 times, and so on. So that's the whole idea behind the race condition attack, right? So let's try to practically do this attack. And what will happen is, now that the first time it says 267, so I will try to make it more time. So let me remove the promo code right over here right now, because it is already applied right now. My cart is having a lightweight leather jacket. Price is 1377, and I will paste the coupon right over here, and I will come to my burp suite proxy intercept. I will turn intercept on and I will click on apply. Now the request will get captured over here, and I will not apply it right over here. I will just send this request to repeater and I will drop this request right over here. That's how actually I solved this lab. I don't know, there might be some other ways, but that's how actually I solved it for the first time. So now the request has been dropped. That is fine. Let's go to my request where it was. I think so something strange happened that it didn't work. Let me try one more time. I can see only empty request over here. If I click on send, this is empty. Or my burp suite. Let me try one more time. Intercept on, apply the promo code, forward, send this to repeater, go to repeater, and yes, now I can see it over here. I don't know what happened the previous time. Turn intercept off, and I think so I should have dropped it. Let me try one more time. Remove it. I have removed it. I think so it should work over here as well. So let's try to hit send. It says coupon applied. Now if I refresh the page over here, the coupon should be added. I will remove it now again because I don't want it right now. So now what will happen is that, let's say I send us the same request extremely fast more than 15 times, or let's say 20 times, right? So how to do that in burp suite? So I will be going to send the same request into repeater, let's say 20 times. So let me close my, okay, let's start off with the 5. So this is the starting point. I'm just renaming the tab, and now I will be going to send it to repeater by pressing Ctrl R onto my keyboard. So Ctrl R multiple times. I will do 20 times. So doing it again, and now it should be over here. Starting from 5, it should be 25. So let's wait. My burp suite is getting slow right now, and now it is done. So let me remove some other ones. Let's do 20 only. Now I do have starting from 5 until 25. So what I will do is I will click on plus, I will create a tab group, and I will select the starting point, press shift onto my keyboard, move to the 25, click 25, and it will select all of the ones. And then I will select any color, let's say green color, create, and it will create a group. Now inside the group, what I can do is I can click on this one. I can say I want to send these all requests in parallel, because parallel are the one which will cause race condition for us, not the sequence one, because sequence one will be line by line, but parallel one will be all requests at the same time. So now let's try to hit send and let's see what happens. So send, and it is waiting. and it says coupon already applied. But now if I go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all of these are saying coupon already applied. Let's refresh the page, and if it doesn't work, I will be going to do it again and again. But looks like it did work for me, and now I am having a reduction of 1112, and now my total price is 224, but still I cannot purchase this one. So let me try to send that same request in parallel one more time, and let's see what happens. I think so it should say coupon already applied if I refresh the page. Yeah, coupon already applied, so I need to add more requests. So let's remove this promo code one more time. Now total price is 1337, and now I need to add more requests. So I will send this request to repeater one more time, a few more times, let's say few more times, and now all of them are over here. Send all this request in parallel. Yes, send, and taking a little bit of time. Coupon already applied. Let's go to 39, 38, 37, and now let's refresh the page and let's see what happens. And now you can see I am having a reduction of $1,300, and now I can purchase this one. Now let's click on place order, and I should solve this one. So that's how actually you exploit a race condition vulnerability, and you can purchase anything at a very low price. So that was all about this video. I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.